Hi, today I will show how to crochet poncho. Design for baby newborn, and we can use any yarn and any color. First, we crochet 56 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And then we crochet, look like circle. And 1, 2, 3 chains, and same stick we crochet 2 double crochet 1, 2, 2 chain 1, 2, and same stick we crochet 3 double crochet 1, 2, 3, and we keep 2, 1, 2, we crochet next 3 double crochet 1, 2, 3, and keep 2, 1, 2, crochet next 3 double crochet. Like that, and we work total 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we crochet 1, 2 chain, and same stick we crochet 3 double crochet 1, 2, and 3. Keep 2, 1, 2, and crochet next 3 double crochet, and then we repeat beginning. Now this side we get 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if we want to change a second color, that's okay too. But now I use blue and white. But I want go say more. This color 1, 2, 3. And we go say 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and then 3 double crochet same part. 1, 2, and 3. And then we crochet this part, and this part we crochet 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And next we crochet same, and then we repeat to come this part. After we come this part, and we crochet 3 double crochet, and then 2 chain, and then 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and then we repeat beginning. We work one more row, and then we change other color, or you can change color now, that's okay. And then I repeat one more row, and then I change color white. So after I work row 3, and now I change color white. One, 2, 3 chains, and we keep this and this, because say 1, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, and then 3 double crochet same stitch, same part. 1, 2, and 3. And next we crochet same, but we keep to this color like that, and we crochet together like that. 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Next same, and we work one row white color, and then I will change blue color again. And now we can change blue color again, or we can use white. Maybe I use white one more row. And now I will change color glue again, and then I will crochet 3 more rows. After I finish 3, and now I change color white. One, 2, 3 chains, and then we crochet 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And next we crochet 5 double crochet. We keep bow here, and then we crochet like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next we crochet same 5 double crochet, and then we work beginning. This part we crochet same only 5 double crochet, and we crochet next 5 double crochet, and then we will change color loop again. In this we crochet 1 single crochet, and next stitch 1 single crochet, next 1, this stitch we crochet like that, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and same stitch we crochet like that, and next 1 single crochet, next 1 single crochet, and next we crochet all like that, 1 single crochet. Next we only crochet like that. One single crochet, one, and this we crochet like that, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and we repeat beginning. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Thank you so much.